Hello, lovely, lovely people. Helene Musso here. What about the time you decide I'm going to go live? I'm going to press that button. No, but you have never done it. You're not quite sure how to start. You're not quite sure you're doing the right thing. So these are a few things for people who are beginning to use lives to help them. First of all, where are you going live? Have you decided on a group you're going to go live? You might not want to tell everyone everything, but you might want to post on your professional page, personal page, professional page. Your personal page might be a bit big to start with. So decide where you're posting and make sure when you press that it's to that group. This is very much for Facebook, okay? Make sure you've got good connection. Okay, that sounds simple, but make sure you've got a good connection. Make sure that you can be seen and heard. Okay, so it's quite important. And double check that your phone is actually working. It does happen that things pack up. Okay. Now, you always have a little post you can put in the live before you post it. So you write a little things, maybe with a hashtag. Now, what I do is I always do this beforehand and keep a record of it, because if by any chance you live doesn't work or you've got to delete it for whatever reason, you will need to rewrite it. And if you do it several times, it's quite time consuming, especially if you've got a message, something specific you want to say to your audience, okay, like promoting or having a link there. So you want to prepare beforehand, put it somewhere safe, okay, and basically post it or put it beforehand so that it doesn't disappear. When you go live, okay, there's always 3 seconds. If you realize you've made a mistake, you can always press stop immediately. Okay, so that could be a thing. And at the end of the live, if you're thinking, oh, I didn't enjoy that, it wasn't a really good experience, you can decide not to post it, because actually you have to press another button to tell you to post it. So be very aware that if you don't press that button, the live potentially will disappear. So pay attention to all the different things that the mobile, in my case, asks you to do. On the computer, it might be quite a different way of doing it. Okay, so think it through if you're using the computer. Have a look, try it out. And I always think it's better to go for something simple. I use my phone because it's not too complicated. Because I'm not natural at technology, I want to make it as easy as I can. Okay, I hope this was useful. Okay, good luck if you're going live. Good luck.